Hello friends, today we will discuss the nature of language. Language is a complex system of communication that allows individuals to convey thoughts, emotions, and informations. It is characterized by several key factors. First is symbolic nature. Language uses symbols, words, sounds, gestures to represent ideas and concepts. For example, the word tree symbolizes the physical object it refers to, but it has no inherent connection to the actual tree itself. Structure and grammar. Language has rules and structures that govern how words are combined to form sentences. For example, in English, a basic sentence structure follows subject, verb, object. As in the sentence, the cat, which is subject, chased, which is verb, the mouse, that is the object. So it is the cat chased the mouse. Generativity. Language allows for the creation of an infinite number of sentences and ideas from a finite set of elements. For example, using the word happy, dog, and barked, one can generate various sentences like the happy dog barked, the dog barked happily, or happily the dog barked. Then comes cultural context. Language is deeply intertwined with culture and can reflect values, beliefs, and practices of a community. For example, the unit have multiple words for snow, reflecting its significance in their environment and culture. Dynamic and evolving. Language is not static, it evolves over time. New words are created, meaning change, and the usage shifts. For instance, the word gay originally meant happy, but it has evolved to primarily refer to sexual orientation. Multimodal. Language can be expressed through various modalities, including spoken, written, and sign form. For example, American Sign Language, that is known as ASL, uses hand signs, facial expressions, and body language to convey meaning, just as spoken languages does. We see various examples. So first consider the sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Symbolic nature. Each word represents a specific idea or object. Structure and grammar. The sentence follows a clear grammatical structure. Generativity. It can create variations such as the quick brown fox leaped over the lazy dog. Cultural context. This sentence is often used in English typing exercises because it contains every letter of the alphabet. Dynamic and evolving. New phrases or idioms can emerge from this sentence, like jumping over obstacles to mean overcoming challenges. Multimodal. This sentence can be spoken, written, or signed in ASL, that is American Sign Language. In summary, language is a multifaceted tool that enables communication shaped by cultural, social, and contextual factors and is essential for human interaction.